Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove camera from lock screen on Android. So if at the end of this you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to remove the camera application from your Android phone lock screen, this is what you need to do. First, go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. Under wallpaper and style, locate and click on the lock screen. Now, hang on for the lock screen to load. Once it loads, you should see the camera application on the screen. It doesn't count whether it's on the right or on the left. Wherever you find the camera application you want to remove from the lock screen, just go ahead and click on it. Once you selected it, locate Actions and then click on No App. Once you selected No App, go ahead and click on the top right and hang on a couple of seconds for the settings to change. And once the changes is applied, when the Samsung phone screen is locked, you discover that the camera application is no longer available there. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.